Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the properties of laser and applications of laser. First of all, what is meant by laser? Laser stands for the light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. So first we discuss about the properties of laser. There are various properties of the laser. Let us see one by one. So first property of the laser is coherence. Second one is the monochromaticity. Third one is the divergence. Fourth is the directionality. Fifth is the intensity. So first, what is in by coherence? Coherence means what? The in phase. So ordinary light, the conventional light source produces incoherent light, but since they emit random wavelength light waves with different phase. On the other hand, the waves emitted by laser source will be the in phase and have the same frequency. So laser beam is highly coherent. Second one is monochromaticity. So mono means we know about the monochromatic and polychromatic source. Monochromatic means the source which emits lights only uh, one wavelength or the one color, and the polychromatic source means the source which emits the light more than one color. So here the second property is the monochromatic. Laser light is a monochromatic source, means the laser light is almost perfectly monochromatic. The light emitted by laser is much monochromatic than that of any conventional monochromatic sources. Third one is the divergence. So the light from the conventional source is spread out. Suppose this is the conventional source which spreads this light like this, but this laser light emits light in one direction, so there is no divergence in the laser light source. So light from the conventional source is spread out in the form of spherical wave fronts, and hence it is highly divergent. On the other hand, the light from the laser propagates in the form of plane waves. So angular divergence of the laser beam is much more smaller than the conventional sources. So this is the third property, the divergence. So next property is directionality. So conventional light sources emits lights in all directions. On the other hand, the light emits from the laser only in one direction. The width of the laser beam is extremely narrow, and hence laser beam can travel to long distances without spreading. They can be brought to a extremely sharp spot. Next one is the intensity. So laser light is much more intense and brighter than the any other sources, because all the rays are concentrated the energy of this all the rays are concentrated to a single point, so they becomes intense. So laser emits light in the form of narrow beam. As the energy is concentrated in a very narrow region, its intensity would be tremendously high. So due to this property of the intensity, the lasers are used in the industrial area, means to cut the hard metals. Suppose this is a hard metal, so we have to cut this hard metal, and laser light, if we make the pieces of this hard iron bar, so laser light, when the incident on this bar, then they can be easily breaks, and so the hard metals can cut due to this property of the high intensity of this laser. So these are the properties of this laser. First one is the coherence, second one is the monochromaticity, third one is the divergence, fourth is the directionality and intensity. So laser have many applications. Let us discuss one by one. First is the industry. So as I discussed about the industrial applications, the laser have the property high intensity. So the laser can be used to cut the hard metals like bar or any metal sheet. So high power, in industrial application, the high power gas lasers and solid state lasers can be used in welding and cutting and also drilling the metals. So laser radiations are used to drill tiny holes in diamonds, fine wires, cut cloths in the garment industry. So focused high power laser can even produce very, very high temperatures when they may be used to melt the metal. In chemical industry, laser can be used on wide range of initiate certain chemical reactions. So in chemical factory, laser can be also used to initiate the chemical reactions. Another application is laser can also be used to investigate the structure of the molecule. These are the industrial application. Next one is the in medical applications. So laser radiations are used as a surgical tool in the field of medical due to high directional and high intensity and to produce required temperature. When lasers are focused, these radiations are used for spot welding of detached retina of the eyeball. Detached retina of the eyeball can be spot welding. Next, laser are used for painless drilling and welding to the surface of tooth for the prevention of the further decay. Here the painless and welding drilling for the teeth are used by using this laser for the prevention of the further decay, means painless drilling and welding of the surface of the tooth for the prevention of further decay. Laser beam is used for performing the bloodless operations can be done by using this laser. This is the another one application of medical application of the laser. Next one is the laser radiations are used to prevent the unwanted growth of and burning the cancer cells. So these are the medical application. Next is the in communication. So for long distance communications, laser are used. So due to high directionality, laser beam provide an excellent communications link with spacecraft and with submerged submarine. So these are the application in communication field. Next one is the In defense, the lasers are used to guide the missile. High energy lasers are being used to destroy enemy aircrafts and missiles. So the there are various applications of this laser. Some of these in industry, in medicine, in communication, and in defense. So lasers have various properties like coherence. Next one is the monochromaticity. Next one is the divergence, high directionality, high intensity. So these are the properties, and applications are lasers are used in industrial field, in also medical field, in communication field, and in defense. So this is a very laser plays important role in various fields, in industrial field, in medical field, in communication field, also in the defense. Recently in defense also, the soldiers uses the guns on which the lasers are used to fix the target, so they can easily find the target which they want. So the laser plays a vital role in industry, in medical field, in communication field, and in also defense. Large number of applications have of the lasers are in the industry. So this is about the properties of laser and the applications of laser. Okay, thank you.